In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendars, how to set things up on it, how to import from Moodle, how to share with others, and how to create meetings. First, to access the calendar that Google offers, you need to go to google.com/calendar. And since I'm already signed in, it already has my account pulled up. But for you, it might ask you to sign in, but if you're already signed in, it may sign in and create it for you. So first of all, from right here at this home screen, they have the button that can push you back to today at any time. But this button over here changes the view. I personally like the month view. From this view, you can do a lot. This is where everything can be imported. As you see, I already imported the Moodle one. I can take it off and then add another one, add it again to show y'all. And then when you go back to the calendar, it's there. Then from this screen, you can click on the date, or you can go to create. And when you go to create, you can pick the date right here. You can switch the event to a reminder, to a task, or to a one-time event. In this setting, also you have an option for more options. This is where it brings up all the settings. In this area, I'm going to name it Zoom. And in this screen is where you can add a Google Video Meet conference. And this is where someone can join with your link. And this is also where you can add members and other guests. And so you can send it to everyone. And that's all you need to know for now for setting up the Google Calendar.